Okay, right. Okay, folks, Bismillah. Welcome back to another video. We're looking at node 618, and we need to get this number and round it off to one significant figure. So this is another video in our series of significant figures. So let's have a look. Okay, right. Now, Hassan, we always start from the
left.
I'm sorry, we look for the first non-zero digit. So is that 0 digit? Yes, it is. So that's not my first significant. Is that 0?
Yeah.
Yes. So we can't start counting significant figures yet. And that one is?
0, yeah.
So the first non-zero digit is the 6.
Yeah.
So that is going to be our first significant figure. It is also called our last digit. And the next one is automatically called the decider. Layla, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
Decider. Now, what's the rule for decider? If the decider is greater than or equal to 5, we add 1. But that is obviously less than 5. If the decider is less than 5, okay, we can either add 0 or what we normally do is just copy the digits down. Basically, we don't round it up. So the 6 I'm going to copy down because it's less than 5 than 1 is. Copy the 0 down and the 0 and the point and the note. Now, here comes the important part. What happens, Mr. Hassan, okay, to these two spaces? Do we copy, do you put zeros in these ones?
And those ones, no.
No, well done. Why don't we copy zeros into this one over here? Because now we are not before the decimal point, we have gone past the decimal point. So in the previous questions, when we had the number finishing before the decimal point, we filled up the zeros up to the decimal point. But in this particular instance, we are already on the other side of the decimal point, so the last digit actually is the last digit, and those two gaps don't come in the answer. So that gives you 0.006. Okay? Next question. So we have here one significant figure, Layla. Is this a significant figure? Yes or no?
No.
No. Next one?
No.
Next one?
Yeah.
Okay, that one's a significant figure?
No.
No. And the next one?
Yeah.
Yes. So our first significant figure is the first non-zero digit, which is the 3. So we have to round to one significant figure. That's our last digit. This is called our decider. So we look at the decider. So Hassan, what's the decider telling you? So we look at the rule. It's more than 5 equal to.
So you add 1.
So you add 1 to the last digit.
Digit.
You don't add 1 to the decider. So 3 add 1 is?
4.
0 add 0 is?
Nothing.
Nothing. Point. Okay, now. As we said in the previous example, we have now gaps. 3 gaps at the end of the number. Do we fill any zeros in this particular instance? And the answer is no. We don't fill in zeros here because the number already is on the right hand side of the decimal point, and the last digit here actually is the last digit. So we actually can truncate, we can cut the number off. So here, this part of the number does literally get chopped off. We don't need it anymore. But in the previous question, where we were on the left hand side of the decimal point, we had to fill up to the decimal point to maintain the value of the number. So we're in the right region. Okay, next question. Right, Layla. Start on the left hand side to identify the first significant figure. Is that a significant figure?
No.
No. And the next one?
No.
And the next one?
Yeah.
Yes. So we're looking for 5 significant figures. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, let's look at that. So we call this digit here the last digit. So that's the 5th significant figure. We call that the last digit. The next one, Hassan, is called the decider. Now, the decider, Hassan, is telling us what? If the decider is greater than or equal to 5, we add 1 to the last digit. Is that greater than or equal to 5?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we add 1 to the last digit. So 1 add 1 is?
2.
2. And just add up all the numbers. Put them down. Okay, now, Layla, what do we do with the two gaps that we have here in this decimal number? Do we fill in any zeros? No. Why don't we fill the zeros? Because we're already on the right hand side of the decimal point, and the last digit actually is the last digit in the answer. We do not fill any zeros here. Okay, thank you very much for joining us on this particular video. I'm going to give you some couple of questions for everybody to try, for my students here and for the students on the web. So let's have a go. For example, this is the next one. Same one, significant. 0.0377. This one will be 0.00425, and this one will be 0.010102967. Okay folks, that's the questions for everybody, for you guys to try right now. Please, Hassan later try those questions, and for everybody at home, try them as well. Thank you. Please come back and join us in the next video. We'll go through the answers.